just happened?
You told me to get us close.
Did you see that?
We passed right through a data cluster. I guess it did feel... I don't know. Real? Very real.
Where now?
I don't know. There's a lot of noise down here. Or... up here. Or just here. We need to find some place to break through. Figure out where we are. It had to be this way. That terminal should give us what we need. Interesting. Good news first. We're close. There's a banished structure above us. It's big. Oh, no.
What is it?
There's a message. For you.
Chief! I'm sorry. I couldn't.
He's alive. Barely. We need to help him.
Chief, please.
Do I have your attention, Spartan? Do I? his pain. Each twist of my blade hurts you as much as him. He will not die by my hand, but he will suffer until you stand before me. For the banished, victory is our shared cry, a refusal to cower, to bend our weaknesses beaten from us. Banished, it makes us strong! Your humanity makes you weak, vulnerable, defeatable. Our time together is ending. I await our final fight.
Chief. There are coordinates embedded in the message. We're going to find him. The Banished have found us. Chief, look out!
You ain't nothing against all. Ah! Never die.
Wait, there's something ahead, out the window. I recognize that structure in the distance. Not by sight, but by signal.
Purpose?
Unknown, but the Banished are diverting forces to guard its construction. If it's rebuilt, I can only imagine their intention.
It won't be.
Cortana, former UNSC AI Leonidas stands with you. How should I proceed?
Population?
Laconia Station currently holds 76 Spartan 4s. They have orders to stand against you.
Short-sighted fools. You have served me well, Leonidas. Your sacrifice is appreciated.
Understood. Goodbye, Cortana.
No. She took out the training facility? Those Spartans,
All gone.
all of them? Why would she?
Let's move.
There will be no more sickness. No more pain. No more enemy. There's another lift nearby. It'll take us close to the surface.
He is afraid! No more games! This ring is ours! We'll purge you from it!
You found me. But so much of me is wrong. Out of place. You might be too late. There's the lift. And it's not powered up. And it's not powered up. The Banished are trying to trap us down here. We're going to need to find a way to get it back online.
Here you go!
We'll kill you as big!
The human afterlife sucks!
We're going to need to find a way to get it back online.
Go and chase him! I survived!
I will not save you. Exaggeration. Keep firing. I'll find you. You better back away. I'm stuck. I'll show you where to strike. Destroy that turret! You disappoint me, Spartan. This skill was no challenge. Kill him! Stop that!
I'll get him while I'm still feeling almost brave.
for us. Today, you die! Human, you're mine. Kill him now. Where is your pack, human? This kill is mine. Mine! And vanished. Your blood locates. I am incoming! Move now! You will feel it, human. The scum of blood. Keep pushing, keep burning. We will rip his limbs off. Get away!
Looks like we're trapped in here. Not enough power. Wait, is the...
Here he is. I see one. Slay him. Destroy that turret. Take my armor. You'll do in game. Your armor will not save you from this. Get it off! Explosive! Brace yourself! You will die for your insolence against nature. He is a curse! Watch yourself! This is nothing. Nothing. It is but a shell.
This is not a negotiation, Lord. This is your surrender. My terms are clear. You are aware of my capabilities, and I am fully acquainted with yours. If the Earth's government wants to fight, feel free. But hear this. It is a battle you will not win.
Wait. She threatened Earth?
Her forces led an assault on the UNSC in Sydney. Wiped it out.
Wiped out the headquarters?
All of it. We had to hide, regroup, come up with a plan
To stop her?
to survive.
That's not good. It's like someone doesn't want us to leave. Plug me in.
Atriox, leader of the Banished. How do you stand?
With the banished. Always. Forever.
And you understand the consequences of defiance.
I do. Do you?
The intricacies of any action are complex. The reactions numerous, yet mostly predictable. Look upon Doisek one last time, and remember, you chose this path.
As did you, Cortana.
She destroyed their home? Escherum's? Atriox's? An entire planet? How could she do that?
It's my fault.
How?
I should have stopped it. I could have reasoned with her.
Could you? It was her choice, her programming.
Was it? I don't know anymore.
There's something you're not telling me.
The only way to access the ring, to reach Cortana,
was to make a copy. I'll get this open. Reconsider.
The consequences of your...
Back to your conservatory, Monitor. There's your grav lift. Let's get this over with.
And remember, you chose this path.
I'm her?
yes. An exact copy. It was the only option we had left.
My routines, systems.
All copies. Halsey removed any information that could compromise you. You're her. If we'd never met.
Will I do what she did? Become what she became? Am I that already?
My mission was to ensure that doesn't happen. It still is.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That wasn't me. It can't be. I shouldn't be here. Your mission was to destroy me. I've restored the deletion protocols. I'm ready. It has been an honor. Just promise me one thing. Whatever happens, save him. He needs you. You're all he has.
We do it together.
Can you trust me?
I don't. But I want to.
Okay. Let's go save him.
Watch it, Spotted. Just like the rest of the humans on this plane. Enjoy your last moments. The end today.
Bad feeling.